But Jess, are you opening that? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liallure here, and I'm back at it again with another video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you love your stay here. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. This is actually going to be a new type of video for me, and hopefully I get to do these often because I do like a good wig, girl. So if you're looking for more hair videos, those are coming soon. So make sure you subscribe, girl. Stay for a while, you know, kick your feet up, chill. And if you are returning, hey girl, hey, thanks for stopping by again. Love you. In today's video, I will be doing a wig unboxing. It is actually a headband wig that I'm super excited about, because if you know, you know, your girl is lazy. I don't like to secure wigs on. They take too much work. Oftentimes I find myself like really hot, and so what happens is, like, the oils and the sweat and the mixture and everything, I got makeup on, it just gets messy, it looks white, it's a mess. It's a mess. You know how people be like, what lace? That lace. You can always see it sometimes, and it's just, I don't like it. So today I come to you looking like a bald baby otter because we're gonna try on a headband wig that I'm super excited about. Today's wig is from UNice. I think it's UNice. Like, I've always heard people say UNice. It is from that hair company, and I got a 22-inch straight hair wig. I'm not gonna lie, I've actually taken this wig out of the box. I tried to record this video before, but I didn't like the way it turned out, so I'm re-recording it so I can style it for you guys and show you how I think it would look cute styled up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna insert that clip right here so you guys can actually watch me, like, take things out the box and show you what it came with. So BRB. But I got a headband wig from UNice. It is, I will put the specs on the screen. I honestly don't remember the full name of it, but I know that I got a 22-inch headband wig. It came in this this box, like, outside of the packaging. It came in this box that says UNice on it, and then it says, like, it's from its Better You series or something like that. But yeah, so it came in this box, which I thought were handy. But also, like, at the back here, it gives you some instructions. So it gives you, like, ways to measure your wigs, how to comb the wig, how to wash the wig, and stuff like that. So I thought that was nice and handy. Even though, you know, I know how to wear wigs at this point, I think it might be helpful to someone who's relatively new to the wig game, you feel me? So inside the box, it looks like this. We have a little packaging here, a little goodie bag. It comes with a wig cap. I love when hair companies send me wig caps because I can always use another one, honestly. So it comes with this beige wig cap. So this right here. It comes with what looks to be a nail file. Oh, it comes with nail wraps. Like, you just put them on your nails. They're like little, like, sticky things right here. That's cute. I mean, I get my nails done, so I probably won't wear those, but I mean, they're adorable. It also came with these lashes. Let me show y'all them. These lashes. And then it came with one headband. So it came with this, like, striped black and white headband. That's nice, but I like to prepare for things. So when I knew I was getting a headband wig, I got on Amazon right away and I ordered a bunch of headbands. They came in, like, this assortment of different colors in them. I'll make sure I drop that link also down below if you're interested. And I also got this really pretty rhinestone headband that I'm going to wear in this video, so I'm excited about that. Anyway, so now for the wig. It comes in this little, like, plastic bag, you know, regular packaging, whatever. Can't complain, won't complain. But yeah, it's super cute. Let me just open it. So it comes in a little lunch lady hairnet. Love protection for my wiggy. And it also comes with this little, what is this, the adhesive part? I guess it is. I mean, we'll figure it out. Honestly, I've never worn one of these, so I don't know what to expect, but we're gonna figure it out together. So yeah, this is what the wig looks like. She's really soft. She's in a black color. I think I got this in the color 1 I got it in a natural color. Yeah, I really like how soft it is. Like I can like run my hands through it, really cute. Has a little bounce to it. I think this is either straight or body wave. Again, I will put that information up. I am so sorry, like my memory is just not amazing. Anyway, so inside the wig looks like this, just regular stitching and craftsmanship. The only thing that's different about this wig is that it doesn't have any lace on it, which is great because, you know, I've noticed that when I wear my wigs, my full wigs, my frontals and stuff like that, they tug at my hairline and they tug at my edges because the lace is pretty like harsh on my hairline, especially because I have like really thin and sensitive hair. It's not great for me. So I'm really excited about this this lace feature. Yeah, so it has these straps right here, and I guess what you do is you just like put it on and you just strap it in on the back. So we gonna see. Not gonna lie, it's kind of tight. My head's kind of big. Whew. Okay, so just like that, the wig is on. She's on. I think, oh my god, I almost broke a nail. Okay, I think that I'm gonna leave the wig like right here at this place. As you can see, my edges are out. So this is just like what it looks like right here. It's just that black like elastic situation right here. You can wear your wig just like this if you want, with just this, because it kind of is a headband in a way, but I personally like wouldn't do that unless I really was in a hurry, like I'm trying to go to a corner store. Ooh, let me at least brush it. I look crazy out here. Like, if you're new to my channel, I want you to know that I'm always 100% myself. Like, I'm never gonna cap for y'all. For me, like, sometimes I be looking crazy, and that's the truth. You know why? Because I'm a person. I am a working adult. I have a job. YouTube is not my job. I have a job. So half the time I'm like frazzled because it's been a long day, girl. It's been a long day half the time in my life. So, you know, just if you see me looking crazy, just mind your business, eat your food, for me. So this is what the wig looks like. I have braids under here. If anyone was wondering what my hair looks like under this, I have braids on because I have very thick natural hair, and so like if I left my natural hair in a low ponytail, like it wouldn't work. So I feel like I would just have to wear like smaller braids under a headband wig like this, because to be honest with you, I've seen a lot of people try on headband wigs and they just had their like natural hair in some type of like low ponytail, but I personally don't feel like my hair can do that for me. Like, it's gonna be a situation if I try that, so I'm not gonna do that. But honestly, I feel like right now, like, it's not like bulky, like, see, like, she's giving flat, low-key, you feel me? My edges out. I tried a thing. I feel like it's flat enough, you know? Like, if you look at the side profile, I feel like it's cute. Like, it doesn't look like, it's not giving Party City, you know, because I would never. But I do feel like it's flat enough and it's cute. Like, I feel like it's tasteful. It's something I could definitely see myself like just making sure my edges are done so that I could just like pop this wig on. So yeah, I like it. I really like this wig a lot. And I also will say that this wig is what am I trying to say? I want to say that this wig is very, very silky and straight. Like, I can literally run my hands through this wig and not get any snagging at all. And I love the fact that it already came like that. I did not put a flat iron to this wig at all. I haven't done anything except brush the wig so far, I swear. So this is what it looks like naturally, and I really, really like the texture. I think the straight is very, very pretty. I can tell that it'll be very easy to flat iron. I'm not gonna flat iron it today because I actually wanna use my curling iron for some of these hairstyles. So yeah, I do think it'll be really easy to just like maintain in general. I really like the headband feature of it because, as you know, fall is among us. Okay, it's spooky season, and so a lot of people do like to wear headbands in the fall. Headbands are coming back, you know, it's a thing, it's on trend. Get into it, period. So I do feel like this is a perfect time to copy a headband wig. I purchased this wig on the website a few weeks ago, and it was $151 total including shipping, and I thought that was a phenomenal price for 22 inches. 151 US dollars. Where you getting that at? Some good quality hair for $151, girl. And this video is not even sponsored, so you know I'm telling the truth. Like, I'm never gonna review a product or like tell you guys about something that I personally don't like. So I really do like this hair. I feel like it's a keeper for sure, and I might even get another one, maybe like a shorter one. I'm lying, I'm not even a short hair type of girl. I got one bob. For reference, I am 5'7", and this hair comes to about like right here on me. Yeah, it's like right here. So it is pretty long. It's a pretty long 22. I think it could even pass for a 24, to be honest with you. So now I'm gonna style my hair in a few hairstyles to just show you guys like the versatility of it. I'm back with a low pony. I love a good low ponytail because I go to the gym often, and I well, I don't go to the gym anymore because of the pandemic, but I do plan to start going to the gym and working out, so I feel like something like this will be essential for me. Like, not having to tie down my wig is going to save my edges. My edges are my babies because my hairline is very sensitive. I have very sensitive edges, and I find that when I wear the lace wigs and I tie them down with a scarf or something like that, if I don't want to glue it down, girl, it will snatch me bald. So yeah, I really like this low pony. It's so cute. Like, I feel like I could wear this anywhere actually. Corner store run, corner store run, mall run. Okay, so now I'm gonna try out like a half up half down thing. I tried to do this the first time I recorded this video and it did not end up well, so hopefully I got it this time. This is actually harder than I thought. Wait a minute. Okay guys, so I'm back with look number 2, and I really like this. This is so cute. Oh my god. And it goes with the little theme. A little clueless action for your head top. This is so cute. I got this headband from Amazon. It came in like this variety pack. Let me see if I could find it. I'm not gonna lie, my room is looking crazy right now, so I can't really find a variety pack, but I got a pack of headbands from Amazon because I knew I was gonna get a headband wig and I like to prepare in advance. And I did show y'all that I only got one headband from UNice, so I wanted to come prepared with other options because you know fall is among us, and your girl, she got the fits. Okay y'all, so this is my really sad half up half down. You know, this is kind of hard when the hair is this silky, but I'm really not complaining about it. I did try a thing, you know. I tried my best. I think it's cute. Like, when I really sit down and I take care of it, I feel like it's gonna be super cute. Like, look at it. Thumbnail. Too much. Just keep on here. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do a I'm gonna try to curl the hair because I'm interested to see like what it looks like when it's curled. And I'm trying to fix this half up half down thing because like I really like the hairstyle, and I feel like if I had some behavior it would be better. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so I did curl the hair. My hair is still in this little half up half down thing because I think it's cute. Like, it looks a little janky on me because I didn't do it the right way, but like I think it's cute, girl. Anyway, I do like the way this hair curls. Oh my god, it is so beautiful, especially because I'm not really the type of person that like I don't like a too tight curl. I like a really like loose, like Vogue curl, okay? And I think it did just that. Like, I hope you guys can see this, but like this one right here came out like so beautifully. I was sick. I should have been recording, but honestly I wanted to watch Sex in the City. Sorry, not sorry. I like how this hair can hold a curl. I think my curling wand needs to be better, but like I said, this is the type of curl that I like. I like my curls very loose. I don't like the tight thing. I am not a Kardashian. I'm so sorry. yeah, overall I give this hair like a 10 out of 10. Like, it is beautiful. My goodness, it's so soft. Oh. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me style my hair. I hope you get a hairband wig. Like, maybe you're watching just to watch, but like if you're interested in a hairband wig, I definitely recommend UNice. I know there are other companies out there that are doing headband wigs, especially because like there's a lace shortage now, but I do know that those companies tend to be a little bit more on the expensive side, and not for nothing, but just because hair is more expensive doesn't mean that it's better quality. And I've learned that in my lifetime because your girl has a few wigs on her, okay? Let me tell you. So if you're looking for some like inexpensive, like affordable but really nice hair, I definitely recommend UNice. I will leave that link down in the description box below. Down below. Make sure you check it out. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.